Daddy is going to prove that a meteor is an impact. So if you...
I'm going to prove it to you that it was indeed a meteor that had impacted this site thousands of years back.
How did you prove that?
Now, for proving this, we have got a simple thing, which is a magnet. Alright? Now this is a magnet, as you can see, a magnet which attracts metals. Okay? Now most of the meteors, they are made up of magnets. Alright? They are made up of iron.
Meteors.
Iron and nickel. So what we are going to do is that with the help of the nail, I am going to take a few samples. Yeah, a few samples of it. And now I am going to see if indeed there is. And now I am going to come, I'll show you.
Look, go
over here. Now I'm gonna show you if indeed it was a meteorite. Oh, over here. Can you see?
Yeah.
Rest of these, they are just pebbles. They're just tiny, small pieces of disintegrated rock. But over here, this one that you see, this one has got nickel and iron. So small quantities of it, but if you look closely, this has got iron in it. So this was a part of the meteor, because iron in this form is not found at these depths and not it's always in abundance, the iron ore. So this was a part of the meteorite. When it impacted the ground, it disintegrated, and as you can see now, take a look.
Wait,
give a close up. Now I'm going to put the magnet in front, and it sticks to the magnet. So this was a meteorite, and show them our home. The meteorite just impacted the ground meters from where our home is. It's such a lovely sight, and come on, let's see if we have got more impacts.
Okay.
As you can see, these are the two confirmed pieces of a meteorite, and this must have impacted the ground thousands of years back, and they have got iron and nickel in them, which is a telltale sign of a confirmed meteoroid. I don't know if this meteoroid had its origin from the asteroid belt or from the Kuiper belt or somewhere even far away, but one thing for sure, this particular meteoroid must have traveled thousands and thousands and thousands of millions of miles to come over here. And we are talking about, you know, back in history. We don't know, perhaps 30,000, 40,000 years back. These are the meteoroids that must have impacted. But come on, what is so interesting is that this meteoroid had its impact right in front of my home thousands of years back. My daughter is still trying to find out more from the impact site, and she is quite a great partner of mine. She's got a lot of interest, and she's not giving up. She's trying to find out more pieces of meteoroid impact from the site. She's got a magnet, and she's trying to discover more. But come on, let's preserve these two. Confirmed meteoroid. It's a confirmed meteoroid. This has got a lot of iron and nickel in it. So this composition is telling us that it's a confirmed meteoroid. Yes, Hiba? What? Oh my God, you should have kept it safe. Alright, so far we have got two confirmed pieces of meteoroid. Alright, you got the magnet with you? You're still searching? Don't go, you know, far away from the impact site. It must be closer to the impact site. so close, right in front of my home, right in front of my home. So we don't know. There might be two meteors, but the probability of two meteors hitting the same place is so minimal. It has to be one. It has to be one. What?
Look, you can see there's a stick there.
No. These are small, particles. They keep on sticking inside, but they are not part of the meteor. No, not here. So the only chance of finding a piece of meteor has to be the impact site.
Can you
Over
hold
here.
it so I
The
can
whole place is burnt, charred. Yeah, keep on. Keep on.
these ones.
Test it with the magnet
Wait, let me just scrape it.
in order to find nickel and iron. So, Hiba, the telltale signs of a meteor, as we have discussed earlier, is abundance of nickel and iron in them. And because nickel and iron, they attract themselves to a magnet. So that's one of the reasons why the telltale signs of a meteor has to be nickel and iron.
Can you show me the size of meteors so I can discover it?
They vary in size. The two confirm yeah, both of them stick. Yes. Are you from asteroid belt or are you from the Kuiper belt?
What that means?
Basically, there are two belts. One between Jupiter and Mars. That is called as the asteroid belt. It contains most of the. You found something? And the other one is the Kuiper belt. It's far away.
What?
But the farthest place from where those rocks, the stones, the comets can come is the Oort cloud.
Oh my god, that gem is sticking out of here.
Conclusion of excavation at this site over here. No further digging now, no further, investigating. I think this is what we could find. But again,
What the heck?
this is all sand. But again, this is a goodbye to this site now. As you can see, I'll give you a close-up. It's all burnt. It has got a telltale sign of an impact. It's all blackened. It's all dark. It's all burnt. And this is from where we found these pieces of meteors. Right? So goodbye to the site now.
Bye-bye.
And perhaps in future we are lucky to find sites like this again. This is what is time travel. We travel back in time, perhaps thousands and thousands of years.
Are we traveling back in the time?
Yeah, when we are exploring things like that, we are basically traveling back in time.
Can you go see up there?
Alright, but we have to conclude this video. Say bye-bye to the viewers now. So, we'll be exploring more. And goodbye for now. From me and from Hiba.
Bye-bye.
Take care.